Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Born Pretty Hibiscus and Chill Out Thermal Dip Powders. I've got the little numbers here, came in the little bags, and we're going to just kind of swatch them on my nails. I will have links for these products down below. These were sent for demo review purposes. I did not pay for them. So we're going to get started with a base coat of gel polish. With the dip powders, you can do this with a dip system, or you can do them with, gel polish. So here is that beautiful pearly shiny one. I love this. This is so sparkly and pretty. And I'm going to do that same dip on both of these nails, the middle and the pointer, or index as people like to call it. And we're just going to, give these a ride today. I am in love with this one though. It's so pretty. I don't have any other dip powders that just have gotten my attention the way that one did. Here we go with our base coat of gel polish. And this one's very powdery. The other one's more glittery and everything, but this one's very, very powder. And it doesn't really look like I've got anything on my nail yet, but we're going to do this a couple of times, so we'll build it up. Very, very nice, very smooth. I do like that. I like the smoothness of this one. And now that I have them all done, I'm going to cure them under my LED UV lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to dust them off with my little fishy brush. You can use whatever kind of brush you've got. Dust off that excess. And now we're going to go in with another coat of the base gel polish. I'm going to try to make sure I'm doing thin, even coats with this. Get all the way from side to side, from end to tip. I don't cap my free edge when I do dip powders. It's just too funky for me. I can't do that. Tap off the excess, and then we're going to do the same with this next nail. Do a thin coat of the base gel, and then we're going to do a dip. I really do like this one with all those iridescent glitters in it. It's so pretty. And then we're going to go in with the nice smooth powder one. The 3-in-1 thermal is what they called it. Very, very nice. Very easy to use. I haven't any issues. And you can see it's kind of changing color on me. It's looking a little crazy over there. We'll do some playing at the end, I promise. Okay, now that I have them all done, I'm going to tap this one off. And then I'm going to cure it again under my UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to dust it off again with the little fishy brush. Up into there and all around. Very cool. So I'm going to do just a little bit of lightly buff filing over this more chunky glittered one. I just want to make sure that it's fairly smooth and nothing's sticking up. If you're going to do very much filing though, I would recommend maybe going in and doing a third dip or a clear on top of it so that you've got, a little wiggle room with that filing without taking away from, your color that you're trying to achieve on your nail. I'll be using the Gershon top coat today. I did use their base coat also today. I forgot to mention that. I must have been running my mouth about something else. So I'm going to go in with a thin, nice, even layer on the top coat here. Seal that in and make it more smooth. And I know those two ring nail and the pinky nail kind of look funny right now, but when you see them change colors, they are actually pretty cool. I do like them. Just having us a good old time today with some gel polish and dips. Make sure not to get it on your skin. If you do, just clean it up before you cure it. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds under my lamp. And here we go with the play-in. We've got cold water and warm water. You can see I had my finger up against that one. So here we are in the warm water. Very nice. Then we've got some, really love these. These are a lot of fun. So we'll have a link for these down below in the description box. I've got some swatch photos coming up here very soon. I would love to hear what you think about these. Leave me a comment down below. And as usual, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.